girl and boy, man and woman. Them not have no meds, them not have no flex. If somebody tell them I go spend your money from England or wherever in the world, I ask if you fish fry. Tomorrow, fish fry, seafood. 5 o'clock each and every Friday, 10 story in a one. Each and every Friday, fish fry. Yeah, see there? Everything for doing seafood. Seafood Friday over 5 o'clock. I just said, but the big cocky boy them roll out. Them I'm gonna send name. My Bex now. My Bex. So I'm gonna name. No address. Send it to account. What the bank account number there? Am I a fucking mind reader? But ladies and gentlemen, 5 o'clock tomorrow. Woo. So. That's if it's a JN account. Bex. If it's a JN account. It's a bit more expensive. Okay. My Bex. But you think them have details, can go pick it up? Because some of them, if them have account, they must have ID in it. Yeah, they need a valid photo ID. You know, I'm not like idiot. I don't know, beg me not now, antagonize me at Jamaica when I come out in a cold with my nose I run and I sneeze and I cough. And reach a Jamaica National. You uncle send the name and the surname, no address. Send it to the account. Where's the account number? What bank? I don't think that people have it easier foreign. And money drop off a tree, so when people take out effort and ban them belly and I go now and look at change. When I put back effort, man, it works same way. One and can clap. My Bex, you know. I mean, the one you get the £50 for the Valentine, but can't help you. God no. My Bex to them more than all the £50 I send to you right now. I swear to God. You know stupidness that you have me come out in a call for send your money and you send me stupid information. Look, see that? A Jamaica National Media. You see big money there behind me? Alright, check the Jamaica National Money Transfer. After me come out, cloak up in the cold now, you know. Watch out, I get calendar. Jamaica National Tottenham. Lord, my gas. You know at Jamaica every December them business place give out almanac. Anyway. Some of send somebody will look at £50 how long. Get what man say, no tomorrow Valentine's is the nicest them can get it. But one cock eye £50. Go Western Union. I just a name him send me. And some number I say to send it to an account. No address, no bank account, number to say a NCB or Victoria Military. When I go down to Jamaica National, and when I listen, I don't want to know that Jamaica beg me nothing. I'm not too beggy, I don't have no sense. And one hand cannot clap, and it's the truth. If somebody asks if I send a detail, yeah. Spring nothing. Yeah, but enough I see him picture there. Designer. Sisters. Yes, I'm back. You don't know. Just for like, we're not at the same. Video. That's the problem. Did I know? No. No, my sister now.